Hi everyone and welcome, and in this video we're going to go over the fan wall. Alright, so let's go here into our fan wall by selecting. And once here we can give our page a different name and subtitle, even a different icon here by selecting our icon and choosing one of the preloads that we have here or adding in our own. Alright, now let's say we're going to keep this for now. We can choose to activate or deactivate and also enable or disable social sharing. All right, now the near me radius is going to be how far out you're going to allow these notifications to reach. And what the fan wall does is allow people who are already on your application to send off messages to this page to people who are within a range. So for an example, let's say you're throwing a big party in your area or a big social event. All right, and everybody can come into the party. You have them scan a code, you have them pay whatever they're doing, and they check into your party or your event. What they can do is actually post pictures here. They can post their location, and they can also post different messages telling people to come to this party, check this out, look at what's happening now, whatever's going on there. All right, and then they can send out to everyone who has this application within a 10-kilometer range, a 10-mile range, a 20-mile, whatever you set here. So let's go ahead and keep it at 10, and then we're going to save. All right, now if we come over here, we can add in a different news ourselves manually. All right, so we can have party here today, for an example. Let's give it a date. So let's say here, we can give it a subtitle. $5 entry. All right, and here's where we'll add in different things. So come to our party now, etc. You can also add in different source code here. Okay, and you can also insert a different picture if you want to add a picture as well. So let's go ahead and put this one here. It's going to access to crop, and then we select OK. Now once we do this, we can go ahead and select OK up here. That's going to save our news. Now people can actually click here, see everything here. They can click to log in. They can flag it if they want. They can also leave different comments by coming over here. They can also like it as well, and they'll see exactly when you posted it. So these are things that you can either do here manually, or people who already downloaded the app can also place here, and others who also have the app will get it as long as they are within 10 kilometers or 10 miles here. All right, so thank you, and I'll talk to you next time.